ಸಲ ನೀವು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಸುದೀಪ್ ಸರ್ನ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆನ್ನೆ ಕೂಡ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಮಧ್ಯರಾತ್ರಿ 3 ಗಂಟೆ ತನಕನೂ ಮಾತಾಡಿದಿರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಏನೇನು ವಿಚಾರಗಳು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸುದೀಪ್ ಸರ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಆಗಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡುವಂಥ ಅಡುಗೆ ಏನು ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು, ಏನು ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಆ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬಹುದಾ ಅಂತ?
So I do, actually we don't talk serious topics. Okay, we'll only talk, I don't know if I can say this. Sudipana, I don't know, you guys might be knowing, he cooks great. He cooks very, very well. And he loves to feed people who he loves. Okay, and for me, somehow, the first time when he cooked, he made this chicken pakoda. He made it himself. I by mistake said I loved it. Until today, whenever he sees me, he puts 3 plates of chicken pakoda and says, finish it. Okay, and then I say it. Now I'm telling him, next film, konjam transformation, I need to diet, I cannot eat pakoda. He said, no, you're not living without eating pakoda. So he's literally, he came home and he bought that pakoda to cook. And he went into our kitchen and he made pakoda. So now I think I have to live with pakoda, chicken pakoda, forever. And there's no escape. And we always talk so much of cinema, together. He's extremely proud of the kind of choices I'm making. He's nicely, proudly telling his friends, everyone. He played the Hit 3 trailer also to everyone. And he's waiting to watch the film. I think if he's here, he'll be watching it here. Otherwise, if he's come to Hyderabad, we'll all watch together. So it's always about films. He spoke so much about Max and BRB, the next film he's doing, and how it shapes up his makeup, his detailing of what all is going into making of BRB, how excited he is. And he also asked me about my films where we discuss. So it's all cinema and the brotherhood and lots of love.
ಸ್ವಾದಿಷ್ಟತೆಯ ಸ್ವಾದ, ತಾಜಾತನದ ಆಹ್ಲಾದ, ಉತ್ತಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ರೋಗ ನಿರೋಧಕ ಶಕ್ತಿಯ ವೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಿದೆ ಉತ್ತಮ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಪೌಷ್ಟಿಕಾಂಶ. ಶ್ರೀ ವೈದಿಕ್ ಮಿಲೆಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್, ಇದು ಸಿರಿಧಾನ್ಯಗಳ ಸಂಪತ್ತು.